And by the way, what if I told you that there's a secret room in this cabin? Yes, that is right. It really is a secret room. It is awesome. The kids absolutely love it. You got to check it out. It's Brandon here from Travel Guides USA. Behind me is one of the most beautiful cabins that you're going to find in Gatlinburg. I cannot recommend checking it out enough. It's called Splashing into Heaven. It's a cabin by Heaven's Cabin Rentals. Definitely check them out, but check out this view. I'm going to give you guys a full tour of this amazing 3-floor, technically 4, but 3.5 floor, let's say, cabin, 6 bedrooms, all with king-size beds, including this indoor swimming pool, a hot tub, 3 balconies. This place, you got to see it to believe it. Pictures do not do justice on how amazing this cabin is. My family and some friends of ours were able to stay here for a few nights. And let me tell you, we will be back and checking out Heaven's Cabins again. They have top-notch service. So let's get into this. The entryway. I really like the little mud area over here. The way everything is, the decor put together, so just perfect. You have the loft area. Single bath here. This is like the main master. It's on the main floor. That's by far the coolest looking bed. You get the great view over here. And then you have the closet, bathroom, stand-up shower, everything. These are high-end cabin rentals, so everything is just really, really nice. The service, the towels, the water pressure. I mean, even the ceilings. I mean, look at that. It really is amazing. Then you have the kitchen. But look at the roof, the ceiling, all the lights. It really is just, we were amazed. Living room area, the kitchen, the dining room area, and gathering space to eat breakfast or lunch or even dinner. The one thing that's really cool is they even have all the stuff that you need for make, like, you know, the griddles and crock pot and all that stuff. And they have an ice machine. That comes in handy. One thing that's really cool, again, why it's so top notch is everything's labeled. Big forks, knives, small forks. It's just really, I really just value that a lot. And then they have a great sink. All the things you need to have a nice family gathering while you're enjoying your Gatlinburg vacation. Here's the view. I mean, look at the chandelier at the top there. I mean, that's just insane. I love this one too, by the way. That one's really, really cool. Then the upper balcony. Now this table here is the fire pit, so that's even better. You can go out here, play cards, have dinner. No matter what time of year it is, you're out enjoying the atmosphere, the mountain breeze, and of course, the view that is worth what this cabin costs. And really, here's a tip too, guys. If you have a couple couples like we did stay here, then it is not bad at all, considering what you get out of it. The customer service, the quality, the location, the indoor pool, the hot tub. And then one other thing too about most cabin rentals here that I found as I've been coming to Gatlinburg for 30 some years is they say mountain view, and it's like just a piece of a mountain. You got mountain views every direction you look. It is completely different with all of Heaven's Cabins. Like, that's what I checked out their website and all their cabins. Everyone offers a stellar mountain view. And the one here, the one that we're staying at, literally has mountains all around you, which is legit cool. Now let's check out the little loft upstairs. That's pretty cool. Let's turn on the light for it. There we go. It's a spiral staircase, which I do not recommend doing if you're enjoying some alcoholic beverages, because it will be a little tempting or hard to get down, as it is for me to get up. It's just a little skinny. But you got All sorts of stuff up here. Nice, comfortable couch. Some books. You got a great view. TV. Just it's little things like this that just really set these type of cabins apart. All right, so let's head downstairs to the middle floor. That floor has 3 bedrooms, all king-size beds with their own shower and bathroom, plus the game room. And let me tell you, this game room is unlike any other game room I've ever seen in the cabin. It has everything you can ever want. Again, every room has a king-size bed with it. And this one here also has like a little sitting area, which is really nice. And I love the wood wall in the background. Stand-up shower right there. Then you have all sorts of fun games to play. Poker table, golf over here. You have boss toss, a fun little beanbag toss. You got throw it in the little holes there. Plus obviously TV, Pac-Man. You have a mini fridge for alcoholic or just any beverage for that matter. Plus you got a lot of games to play. A very, very nice pool table. That's in good shape. I love the legs of the pool table. Foosball. And you have another bedroom. I love this one too. This one has, I love the wooden paneling on the walls and how high this bed sits up. The mattresses are phenomenal, very, very comfortable. Everything about it was, the sheets, the pillows were great. This is a small little bathroom here. We have the sink on the outside of this one. And here's the other bedroom on the game room floor, the middle floor. Every room has ceiling fans. If you're a fan of ceiling fans like myself, you really appreciate that. Now it's time to explore the middle balcony. You have some great chairs to lay out, catch some of that beautiful Smoky Mountain sun. Here's a view of the property around us. Be on the lookout for bears. We just saw one on the way up here. Then this here, and the furniture, the outdoor furniture, everything's very, very comfortable. And then another fire pit. Again, just taking in that view. This is what a Gatlinburg vacation is all about. Now, I know everyone's not able to have the funds for a cabin, but if you're able to come together and get 4 or 5 families together, again, there's ways to make this budget friendly. This is the way to go. This is what it's all about. Now, let's go check out the main attraction. And now it's time to go to the bottom floor. There's 2 bedrooms on that floor. There was 3 on the middle floor, then 1 on the top floor. This floor is awesome because voila!
And there's a hot tub.
The kids are included, but you have to change their diapers. So you have the pool. More on that in a second here. You have the bedroom.
Yep.
Another great view. And then you have
the closet.
The closet. I love the doors. The doors really are something else. Shower.
And a beautiful.
A beautiful picture of the mountain stream.
Yep. And then over.
Let's go on the second bedroom.
And then.
Can you open that, Kate?
The coolest part.
Oh, here's a secret room first. Mason, show them the secret room. This is cool because the little thing opens up here. So you can see into it. Look at that.
Welcome in.
Really is a secret room. It is a room, it's a twisted room that is located underneath the stairs. You go inside, there's, hold on, I got it. Nope, there's pictures. You have the deer head. You can actually stand up in this section. Oh, wind chimes up there too. There's candle. I mean, they think of everything. I guarantee you, you're not going to find a cabin company out here in Gatlinburg that pays this much attention to detail. That's for sure. More pictures, and then we're going to go into the secret part. Look at this. Go ahead, Mason. Look how cool this is. 2 little chairs.
Little beanbag. There is 2 little pillows right here.
And there's other pillows that the kids took them to put them next to their beds at night. That's the secret room. Bye, Mason.
And there's a
little cool rug. There's outlets in here. I would not recommend anyone sleeping in here unless they want to sleep on the concrete floor, but it's definitely cool for kids. Oh, by the way, you have a washer and dryer right here as well. That worked out. That was helpful for sure. Washer and dryer. Pool here in a second. And this room over here. If you're traveling with kids, I put our kid in this one for the pack and play due to it being only one window over here for light coming in the morning, and we wanted her to sleep in a little bit. So you have a great bed over here. Same layout as the room below us. Then of course that view. And now let's go check out the pool. Real fast, the bathroom over here. Just like the one next to us. Now, one thing really cool about the pool is it's for security purposes. It's very smart. There's actually a code that you'll get when you check in that you can only open this door through the code, and the alarm goes off too, which is really, really cool due to safety reasons and stuff for like kids and whatnot. Let's see, control feature for. All right, so let's turn on some of the lights in here. Look at that. Towels come with the rental. This is a big pool for the indoor in a cabin. Like, this is really big. This is bigger than some hotel pools, I would say. Yes, it's heated. It's pretty warm. I'm not gonna lie, it feels great. But yeah, this is really, really, really nice. I wish we had more time to utilize the pool. The inner tube was here as well, which is always a bonus. Then another great thing is there's an alarm on this door going out to the patio here, where again, for safety features, it beeps. Then here's the final balcony. Fire pit again, great comfortable looking couch. Everyone's chilling in the pool. I'm at work, you know, looking for deer and bears. So you have the hot tub, you got the pool. Going back in the pool room. This is the main highlight. Heaven's Cabins offers 4 rentals as of right now that feature indoor pools, 4 rentals. So if you do have kids and you want an additional layer of fun, especially if you're traveling when it's not so warm outside, because a lot of these cabins do offer like resorts or community pools, if you will, to go check out. But if you want your own personalized pool, it's hard to beat this to go along with the secret room. So there you have it. That is your full tour of Splashing into Heaven. Just an ungodly beautiful creation. I mean, this cabin's phenomenal. Every aspect of it's great. We loved our stay here. I know you will as well. So I'm gonna go have some fun with my family now, get in the hot tub, take the kids in the pool before it's time to go to bed. But thank you guys so much for watching. Check out this cabin. With that being said, remember to smile today, be adventurous, and of course, never stop traveling. I know you want to get to Gatlinburg. I hope you have a great trip. And if you have any questions about this area, please let me know. All I want is for you to be able to enjoy my favorite place on earth as much as I do.